12, 3, 24. We have a Ninja air fryer. You're seeing it backwards. Looks like this in the front. So you don't have to open this. You have to open this part down here, and then you're gonna have to take off 2 Phillips and then a whole bunch of these weird security screws. They look like, well, these are the Phillips. The security screws, they look like this. Nope. They look like this. So it looks like a little Torx with a little circle in the middle. So I don't have the ones that are exactly made for that, and this hole is really deep. So I just use a flathead screwdriver, went in here, and then it fits pretty well, something like that. This is my thumb. So again, don't have to open this up. This is the motherboard. If you do, get a flathead or a razor blade to pull this out if you want to get in here. But ultimately, the situation belongs to this red one and this brown one. One of these red and one of these browns. So if you lift this up, this piece of metal right here, this piece of metal right over here, that will move and either connect these 2 switches or not. But you can see that this thing is totally burnt right there. It's being burned. The motherboard doesn't know if you have the air fryer open or closed, so it just pretty much just tell you to add the food. So these are like micro switches that either normally open or normally close. I think it's, I can't remember, but it could be normally open. And then once you buy it, it needs to fit in this and then that. And then take these apart. Make sure that the brown one is closer to the back. The red one is closer to this unit or the front. And then put all these screws back and you should be back in business. All right, Whisker out. 12/3/24. Gonna make the wifey happy.